guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Prajakta and today I'm going to show you how to create a letter portrait. So let's go to Photoshop. I am changing the background color to black because the image that I have downloaded is in lighter shade. Now open the folder and drag the image to your PSD and press enter. You will have to choose a very smart looking portrait image for this kind of creation. You can either download it from stock images or you can use your own photograph. Once you have imported it in the file, we'll have to remove the background of the chosen portrait image. Press Ctrl and opening bracket to zoom in the image. Rasterize the layer first before starting with the editing. Select the background eraser tool from the toolbar and start clicking on the background that is to be erased. There are different types of procedures to erase the background and I will show you how to apply them. I mostly prefer using background eraser near the hair area as it easily erases the background and looks very natural. Now select magnetic lasso tool. You can use this tool around the clothes. Click on the outline of the hand and start dragging your mouse around the outline. It will start drawing the node on its own. Once done, just drag the mouse towards the first node and press enter. The nodes will create a masking area of dotted lines. Press delete and the background will vanish. Repeat the procedure around the shirt and the shoulders of the man and delete the background with the help of magnetic lasso tool. Also, don't forget to remove the inside areas where the background is still visible. Now the face part is left, but if you use this tool or eraser tool for this portion, then we will not get proper face cut. So for removing this background around the face, we will use pen tool. Press P or choose the pen tool from the toolbar. Zoom in a little more on the man's face, click on the outline of the face or shoulder and keep tracing with the pen tool. Once you are done, press enter to close the path and press delete. Now select eraser from the toolbar or press E from your keyboard and erase the remaining background with this eraser. You can resize the eraser using the brackets of your keyboard. The opening bracket reduces the size of the eraser whereas the closing bracket increases the size of the eraser. We have removed the background successfully. Now we will have to touch up the image. Zoom in and check out if the outlines of the model are done correctly. If they are still not right, then we will have to erase them completely. Choose eraser once again or press E from your keyboard, but this time change the brush and the size of the eraser from the top toolbar of your Photoshop. Start erasing the extra areas around the image to make the image look more natural. You can either change the size of the eraser from the top toolbar or you can use shortcut by pressing left bracket to reduce the size or right bracket to increase the size of the eraser. Now right click on the layer and convert the image to smart object. Press Ctrl T and resize the image and align it with the layout. Press enter once you achieve the required results. Create another layer and put it behind the image of the man. You can change the color of the layer. There is one thing that needs to be corrected in this image. If you zoom in on the man's face, you will find that the man who shot this photograph is clearly visible in our model's sunglasses. So we'll have to hide him. It's not that trouble, just choose the pen tool and start tracing inside the glasses. To close the path, press enter. Choose the dark color with eyedropper tool which is there in the toolbar, or press I from your keyboard. Press Alt back. The dotted area will get colored itself. Now let's change the kind of this layer to multiply and you will get the desired output. On this same layer, draw the other part of the sunglasses and color it in the similar way. Press Ctrl D to remove the dotted lines. To make these glasses look more natural, let's give it a filter. Go to the top menu bar and select filter. In that, select blur, Gaussian blur, and set the radius as per the requirement. Press OK. I will like to adjust my image before going ahead. Let's write the text the way we want to. You can choose your own letters, alphabets or words. Try to avoid thin fonts. You can go for thicker fonts so that our letters are visible very clearly. Place the text appropriately in the layout. In my layout, it will look good in the center. Align manually and change the color of the font. Now give a stroke to the font. That option is available on the right hand side toolbar. At the bottom, set the size of the stroke and press OK. Now select the man and the blue background layers and duplicate those layers. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layers. Shift those layers to the top. Right click on those layers and select Create Clipping Mask. This procedure is called masking in Photoshop. Let's change the background color of the first layer. You can see that the text and the background is separated. The font is not visible properly, so let's change the color of the font. You can use eyedropper tool and pick the color from the shirt that the man is wearing. Create another layer with the same color and clip mask it to the font. We'll have to make this layer a little transparent so that his shirt pattern will be visible through the font. Let's change the opacity of the color. You can press the numbers from your keyboard as a shortcut to change the opacity. For example, if you press number 3, your opacity will be 30%, or you can adjust the opacity directly from the right hand side of the toolbar. To highlight the image more, let's change the background color to yellow. And the letter portrait is ready. I hope this tutorial was useful, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. See you again and stay tuned for my next